write down a program to compare two strings without using Strcmp. So here what we can do is we will compare each and every character and we will scan each and every character at the up to the end. Okay. So in this while loop, what we are doing is we are comparing these two strings, whether they are equal or not, by using simple while loop. Here we are not using the Strcmp function. So what this while loop will do, it will scan each and every character since we have to make the comparison whether they are equal or not. So we can compare each and every character of string 1 and string 2 until the end of string, either str1 or str2. You can compare any string. Then we can compare the remaining string. Suppose it may be case that both the strings, one string is greater than the other string. So comparison of remaining characters will be done here. Here we will check whether str1 is greater than str2 of I, and we have not initialized I with 0, so we have to initialize I with 0. Since we are using while loop, initialization should be done before only. Okay, so here what will be the answer? If str1 is greater than str2, we can say str1 is greater than str2. Okay, else we can select else if in else if, or you can use if cases that we have done in the previous example, that is str1 of I is less than str2 of I. If it is less, what it will print? It will print str1 is less than str2. One more condition left, that is equal condition. Means if it is not less and greater, then we can say these strings are equal. str1 is equal to str. In this way, we can do the program without using Strcmp. Okay? Try to run. 0 errors. So here str1 is equal to str. So this is a program where we have not used Strcmp. Simply scan each and every character by using a while loop until any of the strings end. Means the end of string may be occur in str1 or in str2. Up to that we have to compare the two characters, and then we will check the if is there any remaining characters or not. If there is any remaining character, so it can print str1 is greater than str2, or it can print str1 is less than str2. And if the strings are equal means it is containing equal elements, equal characters as well as the characters are equal, then it will print str1 is equal to str.
If you like this video, click on subscribe and like button.